Hello friends, today we will learn how to organize, copy or duplicate pages in PDF. So let's start. We have a PDF file here. First of all, we will go click on right side. We will click here and type organize pages. Okay, you can see pages are in front of us. We have a file here. I want to copy this index in all my file. We'll press Ctrl and drag this page to where we want it. Same we will apply all the places. We will copy here again drag to a new place. Here it is. Then again we will press Ctrl drag it to here. We are placing index where we need it. Okay, we will place here, here, and that's it. We will go to up and close this organize pages. We will check once again. Yeah, we have, it's fine. We will go to first page, and here we have chapter 1. Second, we will edit this and we will make it chapter 2. Then go down, chapter 3. Then again go down, chapter 4, chapter 5. Here is 5. Here is 5. Chapter 5. Chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 8, here it is chapter 9, chapter 10, chapter 11, chapter 12. We'll go down for search if we have any other one. Chapter 13, 14, and this is the final one, chapter 15. We will search down if we have anything else. No, it's fine. And here you will save the file. Your file is ready with all the chapters, and you can see it is so easy to organize or duplicate or copy pages in PDF. Hopefully you like the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.